In this session, we'll see how to add changes or the new file that you have created in your repository. So if you have created a new file in your repository or you have made some changes to the current files in your repository or folder, then the first thing that you have to do is to add those changes. First, you have to add those changes. So here is a graph. You can see this is the flow of commit. First, you have made some changes to your file. Then you have to add those changes to the file. This is the staged area, right? And then finally, your file would be ready to commit. So what does the adds mean? Add new or changed file in your working directory to Git staging area. What does the staging area means? Staging area means that now once your file is on the staging area, now it is ready to be committed. So how you can just add those changes on your file? First, you have to use this git command, git add and the file name. And how you can implement this? Let's see. So I'm on my repository or the file where I have made some changes to this file. In my previous video, if you haven't watched that video, please first watch that video in which I have just made some changes to this file and just told you about the status of the files. So the first thing, I have created a new file, which is the untracked file. And this is the readme.md file, which is the modified file. Now I have to add these changes. First, let me show you the status of these two files. So it says that one file is just modified and the other file is the untracked file, right? So it is not tracked by the GitHub. So now we have to just add these two changes to the Git staging area. And for that, what we have to we have to use the git add, and you have to just write the name of the file. So now it is the edit, and you can see there is the A file and then it says the index edit, right? So and now I want to add this file also. So I'm just gonna write git add readme.md, and now it is also added. So these two changes has been made. And now if I just check the git status, and now it says that on the main branch, your branch is up to date with origin and main changes to be committed, right? Changes to be committed. Now these two things are ready to be committed. And now if there is the another shortcut that I want to tell you here is that if I just clear this. Now, if you have to just add, you have so many files out there. Now right now we have only 2 files, but if you have more than 5 or 10 files or 15 files, you have to commit those, you have to add those changes. Now it would be a hectic if you write the git add and the file name. So for the shortcut, what you can do, you have to just write, in order to just add all the changes that you have made in all of the files, no matter how many files you have changed, right? So for that, what you can do, you can just write the git add and you have to just press the full stop, git add and full stop, and then you can press enter. So what it will gonna do, it will gonna just add all the changes that you have made in all files, and any files that you have made. If you have more than 5, 10, 15 files that you have to add on this Git staging area, for the shortcut, you can use git add and full stop. Then it just add all the changes. So if I just finally show you the git status here, then it says yes, all the files are ready to be committed. And how we will gonna commit, I will show you in the next video.